Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain budget and budgetary control remaining 4 problems. So guys, let's see the problem. The cost of an article at the capacity level of 5000 units is given below. For variation of 25% in capacity above or below this level, the individual expenses vary as per details given against each cost. Material cost 25,000 100% variable, labor cost 15,000 100% variable, power 1,250 100% variable, repairs 2,000 75% variable, stores 1,000 100% variable, inspection 500 20% variable, depreciation 10,000 20% fixed, administration overheads 5,000 25% variable, selling overheads 3,000 50% variable. So the total amount is 62,750 and cost per unit is 12.55. Prepare the production budget at 4,000 and 6,000 units. So guys, in the question he has given variation 25%, but it is 20% and it is calculated on 5,000 units. So variation means increase or decrease. So 5,000 into 20% we will get 1,000. So 5,000 plus 1,000 we will get 6,000 and 5,000 minus 1,000 we will get 4,000. So now we have to calculate budget on 4,000 units, 5,000 units and 6,000 units. So guys, now let's see the problem. First draw the pro forma same as the first problem and now take all variable expenses, that is material cost, labor cost, power, repairs, stores, inspection, depreciation, administrative overheads, selling overheads. So take down the values of given units, that is 5,000, and calculate these units with 5,000 so that we will get cost per unit values. After calculating for 5,000 units, calculate for 4,000 units. So take down the cost per unit value of 5,000 units for 4,000 units and calculate with the 4,000 units, that is 5 into 4,000, so we will get 20,000. And same process for remaining expenses, that is labor cost, power, repair, stores, inspection, depreciation, administrative overheads and selling overheads. And repeat the same process with 6,000 units. After taking all the values, after calculating all the values, calculate the totals of every units, that is 5,000, 4,000 and 6,000. Calculate cost per unit and total cost in each unit and mark them as A. So now let's calculate the fixed cost. First see the question guys. In the question he has given repair 75% variable, means remaining is fixed cost, and inspection he has given 20% variable, means remaining is fixed cost, and depreciation 20% fixed, means variable we have already calculated. Now we have to calculate fixed cost. Administration overheads he has given 25% variable, so the remaining percentage is, that is 75% is fixed cost, and selling overheads 50% variable he has given, so we have already calculated. Now we have to calculate 50% for fixed cost. So first take down the repairs, inspection, depreciation, administration overheads and selling overheads of fixed cost in the particulars. So now we have to calculate for 5,000, 4,000 and 6,000 units. So how to calculate means repairs has given value for 5,000 is 2,000 and 75%. So multiply 2,000 into 75%, so we will get 500. So calculate this 500 with 5,000 units, so we will get cost per unit value. So 500 remains the same for 4,000 and 6,000 units in the total cost place, and we have to calculate them with 4,000 and 6,000, so we will get cost per unit value. So apply the same procedure for inspection, depreciation, administration overhead and selling overhead. So after noting all the values of inspection, depreciation, administration and selling overheads, now we have to calculate the total, that is B, for fixed cost. So after totaling all the values of fixed cost, we have to do grand total, that is A plus B, that is variable expenses plus fixed expenses. So we will get the final value. So guys, let's see the fifth problem. A company produces a product. The estimated cost per unit are as follows. Raw materials 5 rupees, direct labor 3 rupees, variable overhead 6 rupees. Semi-variable costs are indirect materials 2000, indirect labor 1500, maintenance and repairs 2800. Here the semi-variable cost means half fixed and half variable. The variable cost per unit included in semi-variables are indirect materials 0.50, indirect labor 0.12, maintenance and repair 0.15. The fixed cost are factory 5000, administration 4000, selling and distribution 3000. The above costs are at 70% normal capacity, producing 700 units. The selling price is rupees 50 per unit. Prepare flexible budget for 60%, 80% and 100% normal capacities from the above particulars. So guys, now let's see the problem. In this problem we are not calculating cost per unit because he has given the values in rupees. So take particulars column and 4 columns for the values, that is 60%, 70%, 80% and 100%. So 60% means 600, 70% means 700, 80% means 800, 100% means 1000. So first calculate variable expenses. So we have variable expenses, raw materials, direct labor and variable overheads. So raw materials has given 5 rupees. So calculate 5 with 600, 700, 800 and 1000. So we will get values. Same with direct labor and variable overheads. So direct labor has given 3 rupees. So 3 into 600, 700, 800 and 1000. So variable overheads he has given 6 rupees. So 6 into 600, 6 into 700, 6 into 800 and 6 into 1000. So we will get the values. Now we have to find out fixed overheads. Fixed overheads we have factory, administration and selling and distribution. So factory has given directly value, so 5000. So fixed overhead remains same for every units. So take 5000 for every units. And administration is 4000, so take 4000 for every units. And selling and distribution is 3000, so take 3000 for every units. So guys, now we have to calculate semi-variable cost. So in the question he has given normal capacity producing 700 units and the selling price per unit is 50 per unit. And he has given values in both the amount and in rupees of semi-variable cost. So we have to divide each value with 700 units and subtract with the rupees value of semi-variable cost. So first take down indirect material. Indirect material value is 2000, so divide with 700. 2000 divided by 700 we will get 2.857. Now subtract it with indirect material rupees value. So 2.857 minus 0.50 we will get 2.357. Now multiply this 2.357 into 700, so we will get 1649. So round it off and take 1650. So for all values for all units it will be same, that is 1650 for 60%, 70%, 80% and 100%. So now we have to calculate a working note for it. So we have to multiply 600 into indirect material rupees value, that is 0.50, so we will get 300. And same with 700, 800 and 1000, so we will get 350, 400 and 500. So now we have to calculate indirect labor and the same procedure for indirect labor. So indirect labor value is 1500, so divide it with 700, so we will get 2.142 value. Now subtract this value with indirect labor rupees value, that is 0.12. So after subtracting we will get 2.022. So multiply this 2.022 with 700, so we will get 1415 with decimals, so round it off and take 1416 for every unit, that is 600, 700, 800 and 1000. So now we have to do a working note. So calculate each unit with indirect labor rupees value, that is 0.12. So 600 into 0.12 we will get 72, and with 700 we will get 84, and with 800 we will get 96, and with 1000 we will get 120. Now we have to calculate maintenance and repairs. So divide the value with 700. Maintenance and repairs value is 2800. So while dividing with 700 we will get 4. So subtract it with the maintenance and repairs rupees value, that is 0.15. So we will get 3.85. So now calculate 3.85 with 700. So we will get 2.695. That is 2695 we will get the value. So we have to do a working note for this also. So calculate each unit with the maintenance and repairs rupees value. So we will get the amount. So guys, now calculate the total profit, and with each unit calculate the selling price, that is 50 into 600, 50 into 700, 50 into 800 and 50 into 1000. So we will get 30,000, 35,000, 40,000 and 50,000. Now subtract profit with selling price, so we will get the actual profit then only. Okay guys, today's session is over and I will provide link for the remaining two problems in the description. In the next session I will start with new chapter. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you like my video please subscribe my video and share it to your friends. Okay guys, see you in the next session. Have a nice day.